Bosh.
In this video I'm going to show you the ultimate beginner's routine. Let's get going.
Right, Leicester Park push-pull sets. We're doing Australian rows, dips and pull-ups. We've got 3 sets of that. And gorgeous day, so let's get going.
Yeah.
Australian rows, one of the best. Builds the back really quickly, is really powerful for the back. So, a set of 8. That's what we're doing here.
Oh, this should be higher up.
Is that harder when it's higher up?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's 8, I think.
Pull-ups. Always pull-ups. If you can't pull up, get a band around you. Pull up, easy.
Calisthenics up to 6 minutes, Easy.
6 beer calisthenics.
That's 5. Go on. One more with a leg kick. That's it. That's it. Chin above. Nice.
Last but not least, dips. Has to be dips. Every single time.
Set of 8.
Nice. 8 is quite tough.
So with all that being said, if you want to learn calisthenics, we have a full community with courses and calls and other people on their calisthenics journey. First link in the description. Also follow me and my mate Dan on Instagram. Links will also be in the description. Other than that, give us a subscribe. I'll see you next time.